licensed in 1990. Not the Salk vaccine. It's not the Sabin vaccine. It's not the vaccine that you think of when you hear the polio vaccine, okay? This vaccine was based on a novel technology. You need to grow a virus in some kind of cultural medium. Here, they use something called vero cells. These are chromosomally modified monkey kidney cells that are rendered immortal, just like cancer cells. That means they'll grow forever, just like cancer cells. And they end up as an ingredient in every single vial. The clinical trial relied upon to license this brand new novel polio vaccine in 1990, reviewed safety for literally 3 days after injection. 3 days. That sounds incredible. It sounds like it cannot be true, but it is on the FDA website. On behalf of my client, we FOIA'd the FDA for all the clinical trial reports for the summary basis of approval. We tortured them for years, basically saying, come on, there's got to be more than this. You license it based on 3 days of safety review in the clinical trial after injection with no control group. There's no way you could know the safety of this product before you license it to be injected.
No control group?
There was no control group.
Isn't a control group a prerequisite for a scientific experiment? Because you need a baseline. What do you compare it to?
The best you could do is compare it to the background rate, which is almost impossible, because then you'd have to figure out the background rate for that exact demographic. It essentially renders the trial useless for safety. But here's the thing. Even if they had a control group, Tucker, even if they did, with 3 days of safety review, what are you reviewing? It takes weeks often for even any immune dysregulation caused by the product to appear, just like it takes at least many weeks for you to build up, let's say, antibodies to the target antigen in the vial.
Exactly.
If you're going to have self-attacking antibodies, those take weeks as well to develop. And oftentimes when you're giving it to a baby, this product is given at 2, 4, and 6 months. If they're going to have an immune dysregulation, if they're going to have a developmental issue, you're not going to know that for years. Asthma is not even diagnosed until a few years of age. Developmental issues take years. And so